Oh. Yo, what's up everybody? It's Jonesy. I'm here with Max. Max is my roommate here in Santa Cruz, California. We're climbing right now up to UCSC. We're gonna do what's called the Yukon Trail, and then we're gonna do a little reverse trail all the way back into town. So I know the Yukon Trail is a blue square downhill, and then the other trail is a green trail. If we gotta go slow, we'll go slow. But we're out here just having fun. For those of you that are just joining the channel, we here at Stay Jonesin strive to inspire others through action sports, no matter what we're doing, whether it's surfing, skateboarding, mountain biking, parkour, ninja warrior. We're out here to show you that you can do it. Find what makes you passionate about this world and go pursue that. It's gonna open up so many doors for you. You're gonna meet new friends, make new family members along the way, and most importantly, we're spreading love. If you guys like this video, smash the thumbs down button and make sure you unsubscribe so you never watch another one. You guys like these redwoods? These are my favorite trees in the entire world. Should we stop and hug one? Maybe. Hopefully we don't hug one unintentionally. I was like, yeah, hopefully we don't hug one unintentionally. So I'm gonna get going. We're gonna crush out the rest of this climb, and I'll catch back up with you when we're at the top. Stay Jonesin. All right, we're up here at the top of UCSC campus. We're on East Road. That's where it starts out. If you guys want to come up here and mountain bike, make sure you look at trail forks or all trails. Double check which trails you're allowed to ride your bike on and which trails you're only allowed to walk on. They're pretty strict out here. We're gonna start over here. We're gonna hop on the oh yeah, we're gonna start over here. We're gonna hop on the Yukon Trail. Thank you, Max. And then when we get down to the bottom, we're gonna make a right on the Emma McCrary Trail and head back into town. Enjoy this ride. Stay Jonesin. Santa Cruz Yukon Trail, we're right here all the way down to the bottom, and if worse comes to worse, you just get on the 9 and follow the 9 all the way back into town. It's very dry. Rider up! There's one, just one. You're good. No, there's one more. He's on a gravel grinder though. Have a good one. You too, brother. How you doing, brother? Taking it slow. You want to lead it? I want to get a little bit of you on camera.
I mean, if you want me to.
I want you to. Just go slow. I'll follow you. All right. We're not here to race. We're here to have a good time. Inspire others through action sports. Enjoy your ride, brother. Yeah, we're it's a little bit dry, like foreshore for sure. I'm a little bit high in tire pressure too. Enjoy your ride, brother. Crazy cowboy riding without a shirt on back here. I love this. Nice job. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. My man. Enjoy your ride.
Thank you.
Good save. You're so savage on this bike, dude. I'm stopping, I'm getting it. What'd you say? Yes, sir. I can't wait till we can get you on the hardtail again.
I know, I feel so much better.
Oh yeah, you're gonna actually grip.
bikes down below me.
Sounds good, it's just us. How are you guys? One more. Oh man, it's a beautiful place to be alive. How are you two? You got some roots, brother. Max, I'm real impressed, bro. You're crushing it. This one you probably might be able to go a little bit quicker, but this is also, we're going in reverse now.
Okay. Well, they were all just going in reverse.
Yeah, so they were all going up the, yeah. Maybe they're going deeper in a different direction. This is so beautiful. That section was kind of gnarly. I could barely see anything. I liked it though. That's a nice little loop.
Yeah, we spread it down a little bit. Cool.
See, I just feel like you could spend all day out here just doing laps. Look at that tree. So big. Nice job, dude. You good?
Good.
I was in mid-air when you went sideways. Need a little more speed than you probably would have. Full skirt season. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, this is a beautiful trail. If you're new to mountain biking, you live in Santa Cruz and you want something fun, a little bit flowy, this is definitely a good spot. Just watch your speed because when it's really dry, dirt's kind of loose. Max is just crushing it on this gravel grinder. Nice job. Ooh, hit that. It's like a little double. Oh shit. That was cool. Can we stop for a second? I want to hit that again. Three, two, one, drop. I didn't pop that one, I just rode it too. Be careful on that last one. There's a big root too on the left, stay right. Careful in that section. Nice job. All right, we're halfway through the Emma McCrary Trail. Decided to pull off on the side, take a little break. We are out here. We climbed up all the way to the top through there earlier and came all the way down. And here we are. Got the water all the way out there. And we're just going back in and finishing this out. Let's go have some fun. The camera's almost dead, so hopefully by next week we're gonna get a new GoPro for us. So, all right, let's get back to the trail. Hold tight, hold tight. Just us. Whew. All right. Well, there you have it. You got the UCSC Yukon Trail to Emma McCrary. We're back down here at the bottom, at the base. Oh my gosh. See, this is why you gotta love Santa Cruz. You got stuff like this everywhere. Woo! I've always dreamt about that. It's called Catch That Kid, if you've ever seen that Disney movie. When it's like their dad's sick and he needs an operation, so the kids rob the bank that their mom works at on those go-karts. Like, what? All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you later. Stay jonesing.